Former East Cleveland Mayor Brandon King was sentenced in court today. You'll remember this spring, he was found guilty on several corruption charges, which were felonies.
And after all this time still, a Cuyahoga County judge ruled King won't serve any prison time, but he will face other penalties. Natalie Clydesdale was in the courtroom for this decision.
I do find that behavior is unacceptable and inappropriate. I don't find that rises to the level of a prison sanction.
Former East Cleveland Mayor Brandon King learned his fate in a Cuyahoga County Common Pleas courtroom Wednesday morning.
Little to theft in office.
At the end of May, King was found guilty on 10 of 12 charges against him, including theft in office and having an unlawful interest in a public contract.
Not just any position, the highest position, and he betrayed that trust.
Prosecutors were pushing for King to do prison time.
He's the head of the departments that were in charge of making purchases that ultimately went to companies that either he or his family benefited from.
However, after the hour-long hearing, Judge Hollie Gallagher handed down a sentence of 3 years probation, 100 hours of community service, and said King has to pay more than $27,000 in fines and in money owed to the State Ethics Commission. King also can never hold public office in Ohio again, has to take random drug tests, and find a full-time job.
Mr. King benefited, and the city benefited in the fact that they also received supplies and used those supplies. And
King's lawyer says he's not surprised at the sentence.
I believe that the sentence today is appropriate under the circumstances based on the jury's finding.
And King himself expressed gratitude.
I'd like to thank the judge today, and I'd like to thank my attorney, Charles Tyler, Sr.
In a statement from the Cuyahoga County Prosecutor's Office, Prosecutor O'Malley said, quote, "This sentence is disgraceful and encourages public officials to commit crimes. The citizens of East Cleveland and Cuyahoga County deserve better." Now, King's lawyer says the former mayor plans to file an appeal. He has 30 days from today to do that. And coming up at 5 o'clock, we'll tell you why they say this appeal is necessary. Back to you.
A powerful statement from the prosecutor's office there. Plenty more to dig into. Natalie, thanks.